Former Home Minister Robert Garnet Lyngdoh passed away at his residence in Nongrim Hills, Shillong on Friday at the age of 62. RG Lyngdoh represented Laitumkhra constituency for 2 terms between 1998 to 2008. He was also the former Vice-Chancellor of Martin Luther Christian University. The former Home Minister had returned to active politics only last year by rejoining the Congress party. During his tenure as the Home Minister, he was very vocal against militancy. He was the son of former MP and Meghalaya Speaker Peter G. Marbanyang and Queen Elizabeth Lyngdoh. RG Lyngdoh was also a noted musician, with his favourite instrument being the harmonica. Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong and Maulai MLA PT Saukme visited the residence of Lyngdoh to pay their last tributes. In a tweet, Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma and Leader of the Opposition Dr. Mukul Sangma condoled the demise of former Home Minister.